Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best tower speakers of 2023. These are the speakers that I've personally tested and reviewed, and I can confidently say that they are the best of the best. Number 5. KLH Model 5 3-way 10-inch acoustic suspension floor standing speaker. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the KLH Model 5 3-way 10-inch acoustic suspension floor standing speaker. This is a classic speaker that has been updated with modern features, and it's a great option for those who are looking for a warm and inviting sound signature. The KLH Model 5 features a 3-way speaker design with a 1-inch aluminum tweeter, a 4-inch pulp paper cone mid-range driver, and a 10-inch pulp paper cone woofer. The speakers are made with real wood veneers and cast aluminum baskets, and they have a 10-year warranty. Sound quality. The KLH Model 5 has a warm and inviting sound signature. The speakers are perfect for listening to jazz, classical, or vocals. They also have a good amount of bass, so you'll be able to feel the music in your chest. Design. The KLH Model 5 has a classic design that will look great in any home. The speakers are available in 3 finishes: English walnut, West African mahogany, and Nordic Nora. The KLH Model 5 is a great option for those who are looking for a warm and inviting sound signature. The speakers are well built and have a 10-year warranty. If you're looking for a classic speaker with modern features, the KLH Model 5 is a great choice. Number 4. SVS Prime Tower speaker. The SVS Prime Tower speaker is a high-performance floor-standing speaker that delivers incredible sound quality. It features a 1 SVS aluminum dome tweeter, 2 6.5 SVS spun copper woofers, and an 8 SVS ported subwoofer. The speaker has a frequency response of 24 Hz 34 kHz, a sensitivity of 89 decibels, and an impedance of 8 ohms. Sound. The SVS Prime Tower speaker produces a clear and detailed sound with deep bass response. The speaker is perfect for listening to a variety of music genres, including rock, classical, and jazz. It is also a great choice for home theater use. Build quality. The SVS Prime Tower speaker is built with high-quality materials and construction. The cabinet is made of NDF and is finished in a black ash or walnut veneer. The speaker is also equipped with a protective grille that prevents dust and debris from getting into the drivers. Price. The SVS Prime Tower speaker is priced at $799 per pair. This is a competitive price for a speaker of this quality. Overall, the SVS Prime Tower speaker is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-performance floor-standing speaker with incredible sound quality. It is well built and priced competitively. Overall, the SVS Prime Tower speaker is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-performance floor-standing speaker with incredible sound quality. It is well built and priced competitively. Number 3. Q Acoustics 3050 2-way floor-standing speaker. The Q Acoustics 3050 2-way floor-standing speaker is a great option for those who are looking for a high-quality speaker that doesn't break the bank. These speakers have a balanced sound signature, so they're perfect for listening to a variety of music genres. They're also very easy to set up, so you can start enjoying your new speakers right away. Key features: improved twin 165mm aramid fiber/paper cone drivers deliver exceptional bass extension and mid-range openness. 2-in-1 concentric ring dome tweeter adds astonishingly clear and smooth high frequencies. Integral steel outrigger plinth with floor spikes for enhanced performance. Ultra-low levels of distortion, typically found in speakers costing 3 to 4 times the price. Deliver truly unrivaled sound quality and value. This is a great choice for those who are looking for a high-quality speaker that doesn't break the bank. They offer a balanced sound signature, excellent build quality, and great value for money. If you are looking for a new pair of speakers, then the Q Acoustics 3050 speakers are definitely worth considering. Number 2. Klipsch RP-8000F II Reference Premier Floor Standing Speaker. The Klipsch RP-8000F II Reference Premier Floor Standing Speaker is another great option for those who are looking for amazing sound quality. These speakers have a powerful bass response, so you'll be able to feel the music in your chest. They're also very well designed, so they'll look great in any home theater setup. The RP-8000F II is also very well built. The cabinet is made of NDF and is internally braced to reduce resonance. The speakers also feature cast aluminum feet that provide a solid foundation and help to dissipate heat. The Klipsch RP-8000F II is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-performance speaker that delivers incredible sound quality. It would be a perfect addition to any home theater or listening room. Overall, the Klipsch RP-8000F II reference premier floor standing speaker is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-performance speaker that delivers incredible sound quality. It would be a perfect addition to any home theater or listening room. Number 1. Bowers Wilkins 603 S2 Anniversary Edition. The Bowers Wilkins 603 S2 Anniversary Edition is a top-of-the-line tower speaker that delivers incredible sound quality. It has a wide frequency range, so you'll be able to hear every detail of your music. The speakers are also very well built, so they'll last for years to come. Some of the features that make the Bowers Wilkins 603 S2 Anniversary Edition so special include a continuometer, mid-range driver that delivers smooth, detailed mids, a decoupled double-dome tweeter that produces clear, high frequencies, a new crossover network that improves the speaker's overall sound quality, a stylish, minimalist design that will look great in any home. If you're looking for a high-performance tower speaker that will deliver years of enjoyment, the Bowers Wilkins 603 S2 Anniversary Edition is a great option. Thanks for watching my video on the top 5 best tower speakers of 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thanks again.